In this video, we're going to look at topic 33, example 3, multiply binomials. So how can you use the distributive property to rewrite 2x plus 4 times x minus 5 as a polynomial? So we're going to take this 2x plus 4 and multiply that by x minus 5. Now what I can do is I can use distribution, and to do that, you can take the first term, this 2x here, and distribute it to the x times the minus 5. So you would have 2x times x minus 5. And then we could apply that same concept with the 4, and this 4 would be distributed in. So I'd have 4 times x minus 5. Okay. So what you can do, again, is distribute each individual term. I'm going to move this over. I'm actually going to show you two different ways to kind of write this out. And you can multiply those numbers in. Now we can do the same thing that we did in example 1, where now this 2x would get distributed. Oh, wrong color. Now this 2x would get distributed into the x minus 5. So I'm going to write the whole thing out. You don't have to show every single part. It'll be 2x times x and 2x times negative 5. Then you would take the 4, and the 4 will get distributed here. So you'd have 4 times x, and you would have 4 times negative 5. Right. And then from there, you're just doing a series of multiplication. So 2x times x, remember there are exponents of 1, so that would be 2x squared. 2x times negative 5 would be negative 10x. 4 times x is a positive 4x, and 4 times negative 5 would be negative 20. Combine any like terms. I see a negative 10x and a positive 4x. So we get negative 6x, oh, sorry about that, minus 20. Okay, so the polynomial 2x plus 4 times x minus 5 would result in this here. Once again, notice that when you multiply two polynomials, the product is also a polynomial. It's to a different degree in this case. The first two, each individual expression, or we'll say the 2x plus 5, right? This was to the first degree, this was to the first degree, and notice that our answer winds up being to the second degree. So, series of multiplication, I think you'll be okay with this. There's also a process called FOIL that some people like to use. And what you would do with that is you would take your 2x plus 4 and you would multiply that x minus 5. Let me just move this down a little bit. And what FOIL means is it's first, outer, inner, and last. So the first terms would be 2x and x. That's first. So you would do 2x times x. The outer, I'm going to need more space here. The outer is 2x times negative 5. So we'd have 2x times negative 5. Then you have inner, which is 4 times x. And then last. Oh, I forgot to use the word. So that's outer, and that is last. And that would be 4 times negative 5. Notice that this step here is the same as this step here. Okay, so FOIL is kind of a quicker method when you have a binomial times binomial. Remember, those numbers stand for first, outer, inner, last, and then I'll just write the numbers out. We already know the answer. We've done this already, but it's good to see it again. And then we want to combine our like terms, and we get the same result, so that's a good sign. But you can use the distributive property, and FOIL really is the distributive property. It's just a way to remember what numbers you're multiplying. So first, outer, inner, last. If you like it, use it. If you don't, just stick with the distributive property as we've done in the last couple examples.